Welcome to DIY Spooky Decor. Let's create something. Today we will be using the skullless bird skeleton and these eyeball flowers from the Dollar Tree to create a cute little creature for a bird cage. I went ahead and selected 3 flowers using my wire cutters, preferably with less glitter because you know what they say, glitter is the herpes of the art world. And using hot glue, I go ahead and adhere all 3 stems to the neck of my skeleton. I did have to hold them in place while the glue dried. It was a little time consuming, but not too bad. Once the stems are attached, I took a random length of ribbon and tightly wrapped that around the stems and the neck to keep everything in place and hide the hot glue. Now this little guy's a little top heavy, so I did end up using a candle holder to keep him in place, but once he goes in the cage, I'll be gluing him down, so I'm not too worried about it. Now going in with another random length of ribbon, I will be again wrapping more ribbon around the neck, but this time I'm going to create a bow and collar effect. Starting gluing the ribbon at an angle to create one of the tails, and then wrapping it around multiple times. I went a little overboard here. You're not going to see it all. So ending with the second tail, gluing the ribbon down at an angle again. Ah, we lost a guy. That's okay. We'll get him back. You see what I did there? That terrible editing to where we're now gluing the ribbon down at an angle. That's fantastic. You love it. Now I'm going to make the bow that will be going down the spine. It's what I'm calling a bow. It's really just a series of loops. You can see that's what I'm trying to make. So just using hot glue, I attached the ribbon with a small piece hanging down the spine, and then use the larger piece to go above that and loop it down itself. I think it would look cool to do the loops all the way down the spine. That might be something I do in the future. And there's what it looks like. Now it's time to decorate the bird cage using these awesome moss rocks that I got from the Dollar Tree. I snagged a couple bags of them back during the summer. They're really cool, and I was just using hot glue to attach these to the bottom of the cage. Probably a little too much hot glue. I was getting a little excessive there, but that's okay. We live and we learn. It fits! Yay! Alright, now to add the details, I just used some black beads that I had to scatter around the bottom of the cage. And then I had these really cool gear pieces, charms, whatever you want to call them. I got them from Walmart. I believe it was maybe $2 or $3 for the pack. I thought they kind of gave it a really cool steampunky vibe that I liked, mixed with the mossy rocks. It was like this steampunk meets nature creation thingy. I don't know. I really don't know what I was doing here, but I really like the way it came out. To keep the beads from rolling around, I just used my hot glue and put a little dab of glue on the bottom of the cage and then rolled the beads into the glue. I will admit I did spend a lot of time adjusting the eyeballs to look out of the cage exactly where I wanted them to be, but that's okay. I went ahead and glued him down, and my clasp here is also broken, so I temporarily used hot glue to fix that. If you are going to hang something like this up, I do not recommend using hot glue to fix that. Definitely use something stronger. And here it is. Please like, subscribe, share. Let me know what you thought in the comments down below. If you made it all the way through to the end of the video, please know that I do appreciate you so much. And until next time, stay spooky.